My dear students, how are you going to find out the magnetic induction? Because of these type of wires. Magnetic induction, because of a complete circle, is given by B is equal to mu naught I by 2R. You know this formula about that. In the chapter called as moving charges and magnetism, for a complete circle, B is taken as mu naught I by 2R. But here if you observe, I am taking half circle and the remaining larger half circle. For half circle, what is going to be the formula? The shortcut method to find out the magnetic induction for a half circle is just because you know half circle means you have to consider half of this full circle. Half of this full circle means half into mu naught I by 2R. That's it. So for half circle, how much it is going to be? Mu naught I by 4R. Mu naught I by 4R. This is going to be the formula for half circle. But if you observe here, there are two half circles. One smaller one, one larger one. But you know that B is inversely proportional to R. The radius is small means B is larger. So for a smaller circle, if you observe, B is B1. Let us imagine this is B1 and this is B2. B1 is going to be how much? Mu naught I by 4R1. And for the larger circle, how much it is? B is equal to mu naught I by 4R2. That's it. Okay. So this is 4R1, this is 4R2. Here, if you observe, the direction of four fingers are the direction of current. Thumb is going to be the direction of magnetic field. Okay. And if you take this as the direction of the current, thumb is inside the board. So into the board. So this can be taken as into, and here also this is also along the direction of the current. If you keep the four fingers, the thumb is inside the board, into the board. This is also into. So these two if you combine, this is B2. So B is going to become B1 plus B2, which is mu naught I by 4R1. And this is going to be mu naught I by 4R2. That's it. And you have to write into, because into plus into become into only. So therefore that means in both the cases magnetic induction is inside. Okay, so let us take some other case here. So this is going to be the formula for this, and let us go for the next diagram here. It is also semicircle, but here if you observe, in the smaller semicircle the current is in this direction, means in the larger semicircle current is in the opposite direction. So as it is a half circle here, your formula is mu naught I by 4R. So for this inner one, it is B1, let us imagine. It is going to be how much? Mu naught I by 4R1. For the larger one, let us imagine B2. It is mu naught I by 4R2. But smaller one, if you observe the current direction are the four fingers, thumb is into. But whereas this, in this direction, current is coming reverse. So four fingers, if you keep in the direction of the current, thumb is outside. So for smaller inside, for larger outside. I told this is having lesser radius, so B is more. As B is inversely proportional to R, so therefore B net, B1 is greater than B2 because radius is small here. So therefore B net for the both these semicircles is going to become B1 minus B2. So B net is going to be B1 mu naught I by 4R1 minus mu naught I by 4R2. Okay. So for this type of diagrams you have to take difference. For this type of diagrams you have to just make a sum, add them. Hope you have enjoyed this type of shortcut methods. Thank you very much.